Well, guys, I'm one of those guys that's usually always a day late and a dollar short when it comes to finding good deals on Facebook Marketplace or somewhere. But today is an exception. I happened to find this on the marketplace this morning, and as soon as I saw it, I pulled the trigger, called messaged the individual, asked him where he lived, that I had cash, and I was on the way. He messaged me back his address. I told him I'd be there in an hour. I got there and picked up a nice Kennedy lower and upper box. Now, I don't know what the price should have been on these, but I paid $200. But I didn't just get the Kennedy, I also got a Craftsman. The guy guaranteed me that the box on top is at least 50 years old. He said it was the first toolbox he ever bought. Now, the drawers, it doesn't match the bottom, but I don't care. These are two very well-built toolboxes. Everything on them works, except the upper box on the Kennedy doesn't have a lock on it, but I think I can get that fixed. What do you think? Did it come out all right on that? I think I did. Don't tell my wife. Goodbye.